Wonder what women are going to be for Halloween? Well, how about Wonder Woman? Gal Gadot brought the comic book superhero to the forefront of today's pop culture, and now it's the most Googled Halloween costume for 2017. No surprise there. We've been seeing some of your favorite stars adorn the costume for a while now, and every one of them had their own specific take, like Kim Kardashian did back in 2008. Or Farrah Abraham did when she showed up at the MTV Video Music Awards in 2016. Kris Jenner donned the costume in 2012, so did Hofit Golan and Courtney Bingham Sixx. Basically, if you don't wear one this year, you'll be missing out.
What's up, you bunch of keyboard warriors? If you like what we do, and you should, make sure to like and subscribe. It keeps us from having to turn tricks on Hollywood Boulevard.